What's good, you guys? Welcome back to WavySpiceTV. It is me here coming at you with another video, and today we're going to be doing a Shein vacation haul. So I am actually about to be going on vacation to Costa Rica in like 3 days, and I finally got my package from Shein with all my vacation clothes. Shout out to mommy. Yeah, he bought all these for me. But yeah, before we get too deep in the video, I definitely want to go ahead and invite you to spice up your life and join the Spice Gang. I create content on mid-size fashion, on a budget, and New York lifestyle. I haven't done a Shein haul on here in a minute. You know, Shein is the most affordable, cheap place to get stuff at. For reference, I am a size 12 to 14, so and I'm about 5'2", so hopefully everything looks good on me. I hope I didn't get the things too big. I hope everything looks decent. I'm just gonna be so annoyed, but yeah, I'm really excited to go to Costa Rica, and if you guys want to see how everything looks on me, then here it is. I really like this. This is like much cuter than I thought it would be. Like, I thought it was gonna be too big, but it's really cute. It's actually like decent quality. Like, I'm not mad at it. So this one has been popular, I feel like, all over Instagram, but it's so cute. I had to get it. I love the colors. It screams vacation. It's actually very nicely made. It's not really cheap. Barely fits, child. Like, this barely fits, girl. Like, it fits, but barely, child. It has no give, no stretch in the middle part, and I got a lot of ass and thighs, child. It doesn't fit as bad as I thought it was gonna fit, but I feel like you need more titties for this one. Like, I think if I have a bra, I can pull it off, but it just needs like a little bit of tie in the back. Like, it's a little loose. The bottom fits great. It doesn't even go too bad to the ground for me. I'm not mad at it, but I just don't love it. I feel like it should be a little bit better. Just a little bit better. But I love this look. So this I'm really super unimpressed by. Like, the quality doesn't feel bad. The problem for me is that it looks like such poor quality. Like, the way the little stringy things look, like, and it's a little too big. It's like, it's too big in this part, but too smaller right here. It's not too small right here, but it should be tighter up here, I think. So yeah, I don't love this. It's not bad. I mean, I'm probably gonna still wear it. I have to accessorize it, and I think it'll look fine. But this one I don't really care for too much. This look, honestly, I barely thought was gonna fit, like, but it really fits cute. And it fits, like, it makes me look good. Like, I really like this one. And look at how cute it is with the jacket. Like what? Like what? So cute. Like, right? Give them like an off the shoulder look, honey. Like, yeah. So this is gonna be like my hiking ATV type outfit. Super comfy. I'm probably gonna take, actually, the bra pads I don't mind too much in this one. I usually take the bra pads out of these. I kind of like how it's more like a shirt than a bra. I think this is really cute. I actually really love the detail, the mesh. This is a cute look. These two I literally love. Like, I thought it was gonna be too big, but I forgot that these wire bras like can form onto your body. This is an XL, a little cheeky in the back. So cute. Like, I love how it covers another belly. Ugh, this is so. This I can't really demonstrate because my hair is in afro right now, but this is just a cute scarf that I'm gonna wear on my hair and go like to the beach or something. Sun hat and this little teeny fucking purse that I did not think was this fucking small. But it shall get the job done. For a little vacay bag. Super cute little matching hat and bag. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to spice up your life, join the Spice King, and become a Spice Girl. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.